So, hello viewers, good morning. Welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So every day we will be showing some collections. So we had a long weekend this week. So today I have three sets of saris again. One is a Brasso muslin sari. I have three pieces in that, and the other one is a Kanchi tussar. And the next one is the silk cotton, handloom silk cotton with applique work. I have mentioned the prices in the description column. COD is also available. The COD charges is 100 rupees now. So starting the last weekend, the COD charges is 100 rupees. It's not 120 here onwards. So 100 rupees COD for processing. It's an extra to the product cost plus shipping charges. Okay, so COD is available all over India now, so with certain limited pin codes. Okay, so you can check with the pin codes if you have any doubt with the COD availability. So I will be moving with the saris now. So this is a Brasso muslin sari. The fabric is Brasso and the connected with muslin silk. So this is sari number 1. The price of this sari is 1150. This is a Brasso muslin work. This is very soft. It's a Brasso. The Brasso is meant for softness. So this is the pallu. This is how the pallu will be having. So I will show you the closer look of the weaving. So it's all the Brasso, the thread which were used as the Brasso. So this all Brasso and it is with muslin. So here you can see that the muslin. Okay, so this is priced at 1150. It's a green with red combination. I will show you the blouse piece also. So this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. It comes with the star design and the contrast red with black border. So this is priced at 1150. The fabric is Brasso muslin. So this is the body part. This is how the body will be looking. It has a double border in the lower and a single border in the upper. Okay. So this is sari set number 1. It's a green with red combination. Priced at 1150. In the same design, I have the another grey shade. So this is first set, priced at 1150. The same design, it's a grey with a red and black combination, and I have one more sari with a different design. The same fabric, it's very soft. It's Brasso material, so it's a brass with muslin, so it's very soft and delicate. So this is again a golden and black combined together, and it has this kind of border. I will open and show you the pallu and blouse piece also for this. So this is the pallu work. It's a golden and black combined together. So this is the pallu. Hope you can able to see the designs. And this is the blouse piece. It's okay. So this 3 saris are priced at 1150. If anyone wants to block the sari, please take the screenshot of the sari and come to my WhatsApp or inbox me with the screenshot for more enquiries and details. So these are the 3 saris available in Brasso muslin, priced at 1150. It's a golden black combination. It's a grey silver combination, and this one is the green one. I move into the next set. So this is a Kanchi tussar. It has a peacock mango design. So this sari price is 600. This is the price at 600. So it's a lovely green with fuchsia color. It's a pink and red combined together. So it's a fuchsia border. So this is a green. It's a tussar fabric. This is how the body will be looking. The price of this sari is 600, and it has the cheek pallu. So it has the cheek pallu, and the blouse also comes contrast as like the border. So this is a Tana warping. The warping is Tana. So this is sari second set. This is a tussar Kanchi designed sari. It's a Kanchi tussar. So I have 3 more color options in this. It's a sky blue with red combination. This is sari 2 in this set. So please don't go with the sari number Please take the screenshot for the enquiries. This is saree 2 in this set, and it's a maroon with green combination. It's a maroon with green, and the fourth is white with red. All of them are Tana work. The price is 600. It has the peacock and mango butta in the borders, and all over the body it has this kind of designs. It's a diamond diamond design embossed, and it has a small tiny gold border. All these 4 sarees are price is 600. Shipping charges is extra. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees all over India. So same day dispatch, post payment. So I'm moving to the next set. So this is a handloom silk cotton saree with printed. It's a printed handloom silk cotton saree with applique work. Price at 950. It has a bright color combinations in the pallu and the blouse piece. So it's green. I will show you the designs. So first, this is the body part. In the body part, all over both the end borders, you have the applique work. This is the applique work you can see here, and it's printed. It's full of printed in the saree. So the pallu. So this is a green with purple combination. This is the pallu. This is how the pallu will be having. So it has this kind of small applique printer and the foil work, foil mirror work, and the blouse piece comes contrast. It's a plain with a tiny golden zari in the borders. So this is set number 3 in saree number 1 in the set number 3. So please don't go with the saree numbers. Please take the screenshot. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's green and purple combination. This is set number 3, price at 950 rupees. Shipping charges, as you all know, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD charges is 100 rupees extra with the net amount. So I have 3 other color combinations in this one. I will show you now. So this is one in set 3, and this is a pink with blue combination, Rama green combination. So this is how the combination will be looking. It's a Rama green with pink. This is set number 2. Sorry, saree number 2 in set number 3. All of the designs and the applique works are same in all the sarees. And this is mustard yellow with a Rani pink, a dark pink color combination. So mustard with Rani pink. This is how the saree will be looking. This is set number 3. Sorry, saree number 3 in set number 3. So this is 4th saree in this color combination. It's a maroon. It's a brown and black shade. It's a brown with black. Black is a pallu on the blouse piece. All of the 4 sarees are priced at 950. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. And COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the net amount. If you want any saree or if you have any enquiries, please take the screenshot of the sarees and WhatsApp me at 9150556870, which I have mentioned in the description field. So that's all for today. I will be moving with the next set of collections tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.